Okay guys, we are here. Period. Oh no, it's okay, thank you. We're here guys. After seeing how beautiful this place is, I am so excited to take you guys with me. Like, yes. Okay, let's go.
Small, we can cater for 25 people for workshops and everything. But people do come and have their retreats, writing retreats, workshop and everything. Then they'll use the hotels around. We are a staff of 5. We are very proud. And when you taste our food, that's finger licking good.
Scrumptious. Exciting.
It's a pity we are not going to cook for you.
Hello, Mr. Monkey. Hello. Hi, Mr. Monkey. Hello, beautiful. Hi, say hi to my vlog. Okay. Thank you. Let me use my hand. Thank you. No, you're not. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yay! Got some food parcels. Okay guys, I don't think I actually updated y'all. We are going on a hike at the Hogsback. Is it Hogsback, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we are hiking the Hogsback trails today. Does that make sense? Yeah. So we just began. I think we're like 2 minutes in the hike. I hope I'm audible. 2 minutes in the hike, and I'll just give you updates as we go. Cheers! Thank you!
You are Christians.
Oh, Sandra. So this is where the journey begins. I won't. Guys. Guys, I'm not gonna vlog now, I'm sorry. I'm just riding a nightfall, so I'm going to hike and update y'all. I knew it. It's going to be hard. It's gonna be difficult, but we will make it anyway. You guys, we have reached our destination. Let me tell you something. I fell because what? Anyways, you guys, it's so beautiful here. Ah! I'm screaming, okay, just a little glimpse in my face, and then I'll take
The bride is finishing now. Where is the waterfall?
Okay guys, we're almost there. I fell, hey? Yeah! Yes, you guys. But this was so much fun. This was so exciting. Also, today's a bit dewy, so that's why the ground is very slippery. That's why I fell. But yeah, talk to you guys soon. Okay, we made it. We made it, guys. Now we are walking back to our meeting spot. I think we'll have a bit of what did you say we're gonna have? Team building?
Yes.
Yeah, and then back to where we belong. Are we gonna get food?
Yes.
Oh yes. And then we'll have food. Yes! Okay, perfect. So update you guys when we get there. Are those hippos? What are those?
Which ones?
There. Or birds. There. What is it? Can you see it? Oh, I think it's like there. You really can't see it. Hi. Oh, you see? It's got it in the water. Oh, stunning. You know what? The worst thing that would happen is finding a crocodile. There's me now among a kind of crocodile.
I'm not really. You know the thing that I'm really scared of?
Yeah, apparently hippos are quite dangerous. How beautiful is this place, you guys?
Yeah, I definitely.
Okay, so now we're doing some sort of activity. We're playing a game, I think. We're playing a game. So excited!
No shame.
We need to speak about what's happening. Are we dancing? Are we dancing? No, speaker. I don't know like a speaker like this.
Guys, let's work together so we can finish on time. We need to work together so we can finish on time. So these 4 people here, we're gonna respect them on our group.
Oh, what the flip!
Guys, I'm loving it. To eliminate.
Up until
Lemonade!
Up
You said
until
lemonade! Guys, we lost. It's okay. Next game.
Look with the chain, bro.
I'm loving it too, lemonade.
That's Rhodesia.
that's one down.
It's fine, guys.
What are the 7 wonders of the world?
Victoria Falls.
Great Wall of China,
Period. The pyramids, right?
Table Mountain, the Eiffel Tower, Table Mountain is.
She said the world.
You said 7, you're now at 8. Statue of Liberty. Oh! Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Thank you. Did you count Taj Mahal?
Can you tell us the ones we got?
It's in India.
You said we
Touch my heart.
The Great Wall of China.
But guys, 7.
Oh, so we can mention multiple.
Eiffel Tower.
The Great What of Liberty, the Statue of
The
Liberty.
Statue of Liberty.
It's not.
Statue of
Eiffel
Liberty.
Tower.
What about the Great Wall of China? Guys, the Great Wall of China is not a wonder.
They're asking each other about seven wonders of the world. I don't even know one wonder of the world.
Can you Google it? Can someone Google it?
Guys, okay.
Come down.
Okay guys, we're done with the games, so now it's my favorite time of the event. We should be getting food.
There's some more. Why are you guys?
I think these are raw, some lettuce, these are potatoes, some meat, this is chicken, this is lamb, butternut, and some veggies. Okay guys, let me eat and we will speak. Okay guys, we are done. We are going to go back now. We just had dessert. Yum. God knows I needed that ice cream, girl. But yeah, we are done now. How stunning is the view behind me? And it's so beautiful over there. The view over there. There's a waterfall nearby. Guys, this place is amazing. Like, I can't express how beautiful it is. But some water for the road because I just had so much food. Oh, yeah. I love you all and probably speak soon. Probably not. But this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Yeah. Would you like to hold my camera for me? Thank you. I know, I've got very nice people here. Yeah, I could just like hold it from this angle. Okay, so just watch your ears. Bye.